Hello subscribers, welcome to my channel Prismavisuals. Today we are going to make a Minecraft animation video in Prisma3d 3.1.4 version. Okay, let's start. First you have to add a 3D Minecraft character. This is my Minecraft model. After that we will add the animation layer. Before we start animating, we'll add the plan, and now we will animate. After adding the plane, it's time to animate the character. There were some bugs while animating. And since my device is low-end, there was a lot of lag and heat issues. Still, I managed to animate the character somehow.
2 hours later.
After animating, I added a building and then I will adjust it. Then I'll add a sphere and apply a sky texture and skylight to it, and then I'll adjust that as well. After adding the sky, I added the camera, then I added the camera's animation layer, and then I animated the camera. After animating the character, adjusting the lights, animating and adjusting the camera, and then rendering, here is the final result after editing. Okay guys, if you learned anything from this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.